How to find or to use ad personalization on your TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find or add TikTok on your TikTok ad personalization. So first thing, go to your TikTok app, click on it. Once you are there, click on those three lines up there. Now all you need to do is click on setting and privacy. And now you have the second option, which is privacy. Click on it. And like you see, you have ad personalization. Click on it and you can turn off or on use of off TikTok activity for ad targeting. And this is it. With this setting, the ad on your TikTok can be more tailored to your interest based on data. You can turn on or off this option wherever you want. Easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.